Donna.
Thank you guys so much.
Ebafazini bakho sisi.
Icicula yayilana. Ngiyalibona sacrifice umngane wami Nkosi yami.
Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. If you're new here, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe, and I hope you will stay. Hi, webathandi bomgosi sithi li to Sithelo Shozi and her Zimbabwean husband, James, who is known to be an allegedly businessman. So this past weekend, while we were preparing for the cold front, Sithelo Shozi was tying the knot. Of course, their wedding looked so beautiful, the outfit, and it looks like she is indeed happy. But phela Mzansi sithi congratulations while sithi kodwa ke people are saying that she's getting married, whereas the relationship of loya mfana Andile is basically collapsing while she is finding a joy. Akuphelanga lapho, people have a lot to say, but they are of course bashing Sithelo for getting married while she has kids already. She already has 3 kids, but different baby daddies, and uyazi eMzansi imilomo hayi shem abayivali. People are just having every negative thing that they could say about Sithelo and her new man. Others are stating that this man is allegedly facing charges while he is busy marrying Sithelo on the side. Hayi kuningi impela kuphela amagama. Let's look at what people had to say. I wonder why men are so obsessed with this marriage. Did the guy left your Virgin Mary sisters? Yeah, leave this girl alone. She doesn't owe you anything. Your obsession is crazy. He's gonna regret it. Once for the street, always for the street. No hate. The street always collects its people back, another tweep stated. This marriage better work out for the baby's sake. One mistake, she will leave the child in Zimbabwe like she left all her other babies with their fathers. Congratulations to them. So all her children stay with their dads. Hope this one won't be the case. May this marriage last for decades to come as they grow old together in this union. Congratulations to them. She's now officially a Zimbabwean. You see one thing about South Africans then, they will talk what's on their minds. But besides the negatives, congratulations to Sithelo and her, of course, new man, James. Hopefully, they will last and they will remain happy. Please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Bye.